Hello students. Today under unit number 6 under B part, that is materials management, we are going to understand about the concept of MRP today. Let us understand about this concept of MRP with the help of PowerPoint presentation. Now MRP is nothing but material, which is also called as MRP1. Materials requirement planning (MRP) is a computerized based inventory management system designed to improve productivity for business. Companies use MRP systems to estimate quantities of raw materials and schedule their deliveries. So the primary agenda for which this MRP tool has been used out to improve the productivity of the business or of the organization. Okay, by estimating the quantity of raw material and by scheduling their deliveries. More points regarding MRP. MRP is a planning and control system for inventory, production, and schedule. MRP converts the master schedule of production into a detailed schedule so that you can purchase raw material and components. It is used mostly in manufacturing and fabrication industries. This system is a push type inventory control, meaning that organization uses forecasting to determine the customer demand for products. The manufacturing or fabrication company will forecast the amount and type of products they will purchase, along with the quantity of material to produce. They then push the products to the consumers or to the customers. So the main drawback of this push system type inventory is vulnerability. When sales vary in this scenario, forecasts become inaccurate, which for manufacturing cause either a shortage of inventory or an excess of inventory that requires storage. Next part. Now these are nothing but the possible inputs to the materials requirement planning. We'll just discuss out the possible inputs: orders, bill of materials, master production schedule, forecast, inventory control are given to this materials requirement planning, that is to MRP, which is also called as MRP1, and from which the output which is generated is called as is defined as purchase orders, material plan, work orders, reports, etc. Now, this MRP system, that is materials requirement planning system, MRP1, works in three steps. We discuss about these three steps. First step is identifying the quantity requirements. So in that step, determine what quantity is on hand in an open purchase order planned for manufacturing, already committed to existing orders and forecasted. These requirements are specific to each company and each company location and change with the date. Second step, running the MRP calculations. Create suggestions for materials that you consider critical, expedited, and delayed. And third step is complete the orders. Delineate the materials for the manufacturing orders, purchase orders, and other reporting requirements. Now, we'll discuss about the inputs and outputs of this MRP system. The calculation of MRP performance are based on the data inputs, as shown in the diagram. We have discussed about what are the possible inputs given to the MRP. So on that basis, we'll discuss out these inputs one by one. First, it is customer orders, which refers to the specific information you receive from the customer end. Second, forecast demand. This is a prediction from marketplace about how much probable demand there will be for a product or service. It is based on historic accounting and current trend analysis. Third, master production schedule, that is MPS. Both forecast demand and customer orders feed into the master production schedule. The MPS is a plan that a company develops for production, staffing, or inventory. It is a production future plan which includes the quantities you need to produce the product in specified time period. It also includes inventory costs, production costs, inventory information, supply, lot size, lead time, and development capacity. Fourth input, it is bill of materials, also called as product structure file. This includes the details and quantities of raw material, assemblies, and components that make up each end product. And last one is inventory records. These are the raw materials and the completed products that you either have on hand or have already ordered. So these are the possible inputs which have been given to the MRP. On that basis, we are giving out the possible outputs. We'll discuss out these possible outputs, which includes our first POs, which is called as purchase orders. This is a recommended purchase schedule that includes the order you give to the suppliers to send the materials. The PO includes a schedule with quantities and start and finish dates to meet the master production schedule. Second, material plan. This details the raw material, assembly items, and components needed to make the end products with quantities and dates. We recommend that you use attribute settings to set the time fences and to firm orders. Third, work orders. This details the work that goes into producing the end product, including which department are responsible for what part, what materials are necessary, and what the start and end dates are. And last one, reports. MRP generates primary and secondary reports. The primary reports include all three of the above, those that deal with production and inventory planning and control. Secondary reports are those that detail things such as performance control, exception data, deviations, and predictors of future inventories and contracts. So these are the possible inputs and outputs of MRP system, which is called as MRP1 also. Thank you.